Slipped on makeup. Hi, I'm neighbor Sneezeweed, and this is my sister, Sharon. And we're gonna go to Walmart, and we're gonna find a Mexican-style lasagna. Cause, sounds good, right? Right? I guess we're going to Walmart, right? No. I guess we're not going to Walmart then. Stop by Sonic drive-thru and get some milk shots. Milk shots? No, milk shots.
Not Sonic 06.
Because we're, not Sonic 06, because it's way worse than a milk shot. To your right, you will see a closed-down China buffet, and it stayed in business for exactly 1 hour. So, yeah. Why are you closed? Apparently, Sonic is closed, even though it says it's open till midnight, and it's not midnight yet. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Just let it root beer float. We're finally here.
Wally World.
We're going to Wally World. $1 because no one wants to buy them. No one wants to buy this. Adopted child. Hi. Having fun?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. This.
I would.
Who would buy?
Look at
of
these.
course you would,
Look
but
at these
who would buy macaroni duct tape besides me? Actually, it's a really good purchase. I might buy this. Oh my god! Mac and cheese. Get yourself some mac and cheese. Some mac and cheese. Some mac.
Get yourself in that mac and cheese.
No, God. God. Konnichiwa, Steven Spielberg desu.
Hold this. I just got on my new anxiety meds. I can't. I really can't. It's hard for me to wake up some morning. I mean, I don't even like Scrappy Doo.
Who is this child?
No!
Still no Mexican style lasagna. Dun, 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 dun. Get it. Get it. Get it. I made these shoes and they're selling them at Walmart, so I really don't appreciate that. I'm gonna talk to their manager. So I made these shoes. I made these Despicable Me shoes and I don't appreciate that at all. I labored over them. I also stole them from Walmart, but I made them. All of this is just terrible. It's just no one likes this. Stop. Boy. Girl, I mean. Yoshi backpack.
Yoshi backpack?
Yoshi backpack.
Yoshi backpack?
Yoshi backpack.
Yoshi backpack?
Yoshi backpack.
Yoshi.
Yoshi backpack. Bears are already naked. Why would you get bear naked? Why would you want them ground up for breakfast? I don't know. You ask me. I don't know. Discount bread.
Discount bread?
Discount bread.
Oh, discount bread.
Discount bread. It's so stale. Don't eat it.
Paula Abdul. Paula Abdul.
I don't know what's happening.
Paula Abdul. Paula Abdul.
She just keeps saying Paula Abdul. I don't know.
Paula Abdul.
What do I do?
Paula Ab.
Stop! No. Mexican style lasagna. Here. There it is. We found it. We found it. The Mexican style lasagna. We found it. I don't even want it. I just wanted to find it. Let's go back home. Leaving Walmart now. Goodbye. We had some fun times. We also choked and died. I hate you. I hate you so much. You disgust me. I want to vomit. I hope you choke on that bread.